A two-day training session organized by the Central Board of Secondary Education, CBSE, on the topic Critical and Creative Thinking was successfully conducted at Carmel English School, Kallata, on the 25th and 26th of April, 2025. The sessions were led by two distinguished resource persons, Mrs. N. Sita Lakshmi, principal of Sanskruthi Global School, Visakhapatnam, and Mrs. Sreedevi Atluri, principal of Delhi Public School, Visakhapatnam. They shared valuable techniques and practical strategies to enhance critical and creative thinking skills among the participants. The training was highly interactive and engaging, providing participants with opportunities to actively practice and apply the concepts discussed. Dr. Ranjit Kumar Paik, principal of Carmel English School, Kallata, along with all participants, expressed great happiness and satisfaction with the training, finding it fruitful and highly beneficial for both personal and professional growth. The program concluded successfully with overwhelmingly positive feedback from all attendees. Thank you.